during class and course coordinator City, we have given assessment, assignment to do, and part one of it, we have the essay write-up of 600 words and submitted already, and part two, we are going to do our PowerPoint presentation here. So, our general topic is on climate change, and climate change is all about the shift of weather patterns and weather patterns. And we are going to discuss, or we are going to emphasize more about the good source and the bad source, like how we analyze how we use the Raven criteria and grade test to analyze the sources or the link that is provided on Moodle to categorize them as good and bad source. So I'm going to take the good source, how we analyze how we evaluate the source and categorize it as good source. And my friend Samuel is going to stress about the post source, how we analyze the source using the Raven criteria and grade test and categorize it as a bad source or post source. And when we talk about or emphasize about the steps that we follow, the steps or process, and he will outline those steps and emphasize more about the steps. So thank you. Firstly, this is the good source. This is the link that we taken from the Moodle, and by sticking to this link and by doing some X, and we analyze this as a good source. So this is the order of when we go to the script, this person who wrote the information about the script or the author. This is all the background facts or information, the biography of this author. So the first step we use is, the method we use is the Raven criteria to analyze the source. So, Raven criteria is developed by psychologist John Kyle, and R stands for reputation, and the reputation simply means that whether the author has a good reputation in his job or like occupation, or he does not have good reputation. So his reputation in all his previous occupation and parliamentary and book is respectable. Like his why we parliamentary and book, he was